So hi guys, we are at the Shettigere, the renowned developer. Godrej Properties has an upcoming residential landmark in Bangalore. Nestled in the peaceful surroundings of Shettigere, expansive township offers you a 2 and 3 bedroom apartments of 62 acres of plush land. Godrej stands for its own plush luxury living and innovation with thoughtful design. So phase 1 of Godrej Shettigere spans across 19 acres, offering you 2 and 3 bedroom well-designed homes. So we are heading towards it. So on the left, the complete land parcel that you see belongs to Godrej. 60 acres has to offer 4,000 apartments, and in 19 acres we are talking about 700 premium residences that promise comfort, elegance and functionality. 50,000 square feet of clubhouse, and your commercial in place. Again, a 60 acre that we are talking. We are talking a plush township, which is the Godrej MSR city. So we are heading to the marketing office right now. So where we'll have a little idea on what exactly has to be in the offer, and we are looking into the model apartments as well. So we are at the Godrej MSR city, expansive and thoughtfully designed property. Total area of the property we are talking is 62 acres, 4,000 units. So phase 1 we are talking 19 acres, 700 units. Mediterranean theme based architectures is what you're going to get with a clubhouse of 50,000 square feet. So we are heading to the marketing office. So this is the complete way that you can see. The roads are massive.
Guys, we are at Godrej MSR City, Sadali. This is 62 acres of township from Godrej Properties. From metro station, this is around 3 kilometers. This is the upcoming metro station. What you can see, it is hardly 50 meters from the back gate. Okay, once this is operational, no, this will be a jackpot for this project, and no, it will appreciate in a very good appreciation value. Okay, that is the airport road where you can see the vehicles are going towards the airport. Okay, this is a 62 acres of township from MS Ramaya. Okay, we will be having schools, hospitals, and recreational centers in the property. Okay, there will be recreational center in this project, and if you see the gap between one tower to other tower, this will be the gap. You can imagine the lush green gardens in front of your balconies. Okay, and in one block there will be only 4 apartments, two facing the inside view and the two facing the external view.
So after entering the MSR city, we are at the marketing office, which is located on the clubhouse. So the marketing office itself is going to convert to a clubhouse. So you have 10 buildings in total. Sorry, 11 in total. So building 1 से लेके जब हम देखते हैं तो I'll just give you a quick brief. So this is your airport connectivity that you're going to get. You have a metro yard blocking no high-rise view for your apartments. You have a good clubhouse. You have a commercial retail space which is going to come on this particular space, and you have a future development land. So when we spoke about the 11 buildings start to you from building 1, 2, 3, 4 and offering you total 11 buildings put together. So एक building में आपके 4 टावर आते हैं. इसमें you have options of 2 bedroom 1250 से 1300, and you have 3 bedrooms 1650 and 60 to 1700, and you have the larger 3 bedrooms at 1890 to 1900 square feet. So here the 2 bedroom, when you look, it starts from 1.23 CR, and 3 bedrooms start to you from 1.65 CR of a 1650 square feet. And when you look for a bigger one of 1900, starts from 1.85 to 1.9. So let's go to the model apartment. ये तो weekday की crowd है, Monday. सोचिए weekend में क्या होता होगा. Let's go to the model apartment and have a look of a 3 bedroom 2 toilet. That would give us a good idea of the space on the plush, what is in the offer. So we are at the model apartment of Godrej MSR City of a 1648 square feet. So once you enter, you have a good size of a living and the dining. And just to give you the combination, यहाँ पे आपको 3 बेडरूम मिलेंगे. 2 बेडरूम मेरे लेफ्ट में है, 1 bedroom on my right, the guest bedroom with a kitchen and a good size of a running balcony that you see behind. So this is what exactly you're going to get in your home of a 1648 square feet. फिर लेट्स गो टू द मास्टर बेडरूम वंस. तो मास्टर बेडरूम जो आपको स्पेस ऑफर करता है विद एन अटैच्ड वॉशरूम हियर, and you have a good size of a standing balcony which is into being offered, and with the kind of ventilation that you get and the kind of plush that you get, so you have a good amount of space within the master bedroom even after your covers are placed. So now going to the kids bedroom. The kids bedroom is again on my right, offering you a good size again with a good size of a standing balcony जो ऑफर में है. And as I said, this unit will have 2 washrooms. तो एक हमने तो देखा मास्टर बेडरूम में, and the other one that we would be seeing is on the guest bedroom, which is a common washroom that is in the offering. So ये है आपका common washroom, a good size of 5.6 by 8.4 is what you get in the washroom size. Again, the 3 bedrooms offering you a 3 stand of a standard running full length balcony window, so no compromise on the sunlight. That looks as a good part, and the good thing stands here. So your kitchen is completely separated from all the areas. So when we go to the kitchen has to be the completely parallel platforms with a separate utility area. जो यूटिलिटी एरिया आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो ना, दिस इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 11 feet deep with a separate washing machine area. You can have your dishwasher outlet as completely separate, so your privacy in the utility and so the privacy in the kitchen and the space in the utility offers you a lot of plush again with a complete privacy. So 3 bedroom 2 toilet यहाँ पे आपका चालू होता है 1.65 CR से and goes up to 1.75 CR. तो अभी हमने 3 bedroom 2 toilet देखा है. We have 2 bedrooms of a 1300 square feet and 3 bedroom of a 1900 square feet as well. So we'll go to the other model apartment. A good decent crowd on Monday, and when you look, there is a price hike happening tomorrow. We have a decent crowd on a weekday when you see. So we'll have a look at the 3 bedroom and the 2 bedroom model apartment. So hi guys, we are at the model apartment of a 2 bedroom of 1314 square feet. जहाँ पे you have a good size of a living with a balcony. The space जो आप 2 bedroom में देख रहे हो 1300 square feet का, it's a good ample size that you get inside the home with a kitchen on my right. The kitchen again has 2 parallel slabs and a separate utility area. So the utility areas have been a completely decent size that you look into. And now coming back to the living and the dining. जो 2 bedroom design हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं, तो after seeing the kitchen, so there is 1 guest bedroom with a common washroom on my right and the master bedroom with attached washroom on my left. तो इसमें आप जब 2 bedroom का master bedroom देखते हो ना, it is good size that you get. In a 1300 square feet, a good size of a master bedroom. और यहाँ पे you have a separate closet area that you get. Even after the closet, you have ample space with a full size balcony again, with full size windows again. जहाँ पे you have proper ventilation across the room, and you have attached washroom on the master bedroom which is attached. And now we go to the guest bedroom which has a common washroom. So first we have a look at the common washroom. A good size again of a common washroom, and this is your kids bedroom. Again a good size of a fitted windows that you see. All are UPVC frames, soundproof, noise proof, and you are at 2 bedroom of the Godrej MSR City, and it starts from 1.25 CR. 2 bedroom again इसमें भी हमारे पास sizes हैं. तो we have different floor plans from 1250 to 131314 square feet. तो sizes में भी हमारे पास options है. तो बेसिकली आप आइडिया भी लगाओ तो 1,23 से 1,25 का आपका प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट है। तो नाउ हम चलते हैं बड़े वाली यूनिट देखने, 3 bedroom 3 टॉयलेट। So we are at the 3 bedroom 3 toilet at the Godrej MSR City, offering you a size of 1901. So when you come inside, जो हमने 3 bedroom 2 toilet में देखा था उसका enlarged version है। 2 bedrooms on my left with a common washroom and 1 guest bedroom on my right with the kitchen. So the living and the dining offers you a good space on the running across with the running balcony that you get with the dining as well. There's a good ventilation and the design part. When you see, you have a good ventilation inside the house. Now coming to the master bedroom. So master bedroom में आप अगर देखो तो you have only one change that you have is you are getting again a balcony at the master bedroom with an attached washroom and a good space of a tucked in cupboard. तो ये आपके कारपेट एरिया में भी एक एडवांटेज है, ये आपका कारपेट एरिया भी बचाता है। तो यू गेट अ लिटिल मोर कारपेट स्पेस इन योर मास्टर बेडरूम व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग अ टक्ड इन cupboard space. So now coming to the kids bedroom, the kids bedroom is on my right and that has again to offer a full length of a window with a common washroom on my left. तो फिर वापस जैसे हम अपने लिविंग और डाइनिंग में आते हैं, तो जैसे हमने 3 bedroom 2 टॉयलेट में देखा, वहां पे यू हैड अ गेस्ट बेडरूम ऑन द कॉर्नर, सो हियर यू हैव अ गेस्ट बेडरूम अगेन. So the only difference that you get in this complete home, this is a 3 bed 3 toilet, here is the third attached washroom. So you get 2 attached and 1 common washroom with a full length of a window again. So good size that you basically see. And when you look on the opposite side, you have the kitchen. The kitchen is again on the 2 parallel sides of the slabs that we get with a separate utility area. एंड यहाँ पे जो 3 bedroom 3 टॉयलेट आपका चालू होता है, इसमें भी आपके पास साइजेस के ऑप्शंस है स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1850 टिल 1900 ऑट स्क्वायर फीट। और यहाँ पे जो आपकी प्राइसिंग चालू होगी, इट विल स्टार्ट टू यू फ्रॉम 1.85 to 2 CR based on the floors that you select. So do visit Godrej MSR City. Godrej MSR City के बारे में अगर थोड़ी और डिटेल में बात की जाए, this is a joint venture between 2 proprietors. So one is Godrej and one is MSR. MSR is not even MS Ramaya. So this complete city has its own name called Godrej MSR City. So Godrej has done many JVs with MSR Group and they have successfully delivered it. And this is again one among them. The phase 1 of 19 acres is what we are talking. 700 plus apartments we are talking. A good space within the community and a kind of the plus society that you get offers you a complete beautification, ventilation of its own. Thank you.